Hello students, in today's class we are going to learn about buyer behavior. Actually, consumer and buyer are two different terms, but however we use them as synonymous because buyer is the central figure of all marketing activities and understanding the buyer well is a prerequisite in satisfying as well as retaining the consumers, and therefore the marketing manager has to understand as to why people purchase, when they purchase, and how they purchase, as well as from whom they purchase the goods and services, by which, with the help of this information, marketing managers will come up with the goods and services which can satisfy the expectations of consumers or buyer. Okay, so let us understand what is buyer behavior or consumer behavior. Buyer behavior refers to the decision and acts people undertake to buy products or services for their individual or group use. Is called as what? Buyer behavior. In other words, buyer behavior is the study of human psychology in connection with his decision before, during, and after purchase decisions is called as what? Buyer behavior. So it is the study of human psychology during the purchase decisions of goods and services, and it is concerned with what, why, how much, when, and from whom buyers make their purchases of goods and services. Whereas consumer behavior is the process by which individuals decides whether, what, when, where, how, and from whom to purchase the goods and services. So, buyer behavior includes the acts of individuals directly involved in obtaining usable economic goods is called as consumer behavior. Okay, and these acts are the results of sequence of the decision made by the buyer. The consumer behavior is used for in two situations. The first one is not a situation for two types of buying process or two types of buying. The first one is personal or household consumer. Now what is personal or household consumer? In case when the customer buys the goods and services for the personal consumption, that is called as personal consumer. For example, clothing, food, jewelry, etc. And when the goods will be purchased by the customer for household consumption, that is called as what? Household consumer. Maybe purchase of television set, refrigerator at home is called as what? Household consumer. Whereas business or industrial consumer means here business organizations or firms may purchase the goods and services for further business process is called as what? Business or industrial consumer, maybe purchase of electricity, raw material, machinery, etc. So let us understand the definition of buyer or consumer. According to Webster, buyer behavior is all about all psychological, social, and physical behavior of potential customers as they become aware of how to evaluate, purchase, consume, and tell other people about the products and services is called as what? Buyer behavior. Okay, so according to him, buyer behavior is all psychological, social, and physical behavior of the potential customers as when they become aware about the, like, how to evaluate the product or services, how to purchase, how to consume it, and what they tell about the goods and services to the people is nothing but the buyer behavior. And consumer behavior as defined by J.F. Engel, it is the activities and the actions of people and organizations that purchase and use economic goods and services, including the influence on these activities and actions is called as what? Consumer behavior. Okay, so the consumer behavior is the activities as well as actions of people and organization that purchases and use of economic goods and services, and also how they influence about the experience of goods and services on other people is called as consumer behavior. There are four type of consumer behavior. First one is complex buying behavior. Second one, dissonance reducing buying behavior. Fourth one is variety seeking buying behavior, and the third one is variety seeking buying behavior, and fourth one is habitual buying behavior. Okay, so the let us understand all these buying behavior one by one. First one is complex buying behavior. Complex buying behavior is also called as what? Extensive buying behavior, because here consumer is highly involved in the buying process and he does thorough research before he purchases the goods and services, because the high risk of economic and psychological involved in the purchasing decision or in the buying decision. The example of complex buying behavior is purchase of house, maybe a purchase of car, or selecting an education course are the examples of complex buying behavior. For example, say if we take as purchasing of house, so this decision takes a lot of involvement of the consumer, because in this process or in this decision there will be huge degree of risk involved, both economic as well as psychological. So before he go for the buying house, he make or she make a lot of research about the location of the house, the financial facilities, that is financial assistance available for purchasing the house, then the other factors like nearby market. So all these factors will be considered by the consumer before he purchases the house, and that is why such decisions are called as complex buying behavior, or such behavior is called as complex buying behavior. The next one is dissonance reducing buying behavior. In dissonance reducing buying behavior, consumer involvement is very high, and this might be due to high price and infrequent purchase, and in addition there is a low availability of choices with less significant differences among brands, and in this type of consumers buys a product that is easily available. So consumers will be forced to buy goods that do not have too many choices, and therefore consumers will be left with limited decision making, and based on the products available and the time limitation or the budget limitation, consumers buy certain products without a lot of research. The example of dissonance reducing buying behavior is purchase of a lawn mower or a diamond ring. The next one is variety seeking behavior. In this case, a consumer switches among brands for the sake of variety or curiosity and not dissatisfaction on demonstrating a low level of involvement. Okay, so here the consumer will be switching the brand not because of the they are dissatisfied about the existing brand, but they want the variety in the existing products, so they switch from one brand to another brand. The example of variety seeking consumer behavior is, that is consumer may purchase the or may choose the different brands to like suppose for example, if you're purchasing the soap, okay, so when consumer may buy soap without putting much thought into it, next time they will choose another brand to change the scent. So this is the only reason why they switch the brand from one to another and not any other reason. And the last one is habitual buying behavior. So this type of consumer buying behavior is the characterized by low involvement in a purchase decision. That is, a client sees no significant difference among brands and they buys habitual goods over a long period. The example of habitual buying behavior is the purchasing of everyday products where we don't give much importance on selecting particular brand. So whatever brands are available, we purchase from those brands, and that behavior is called as habitual buying behavior. Okay, so these are the four types of consumer behavior. I hope you now understood what is consumer behavior or buyer behavior. Okay. Buyer behavior is the study of what human psychology in connection with his decision, that is, before the decision, during the decision, and after the decision. The behavior of buyer is called as what? Buyer behavior. Whereas consumer behavior is the process by which individual decides whether, what, when, where, and how and from whom to purchase the goods and services is called as what? Consumer behavior. And as I said, these are the two different terms, but we can use it as synonymous. Okay, so we can use buyer behavior as well as consumer behavior simultaneously. Okay, in the next class we are going to learn about factors affecting the buyer behavior. Thank you.